How to remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this guide, we'll see how to remove our Bitmoji from Snapchat. So whether you want to delete it completely or just unlink it from your account, we'll show you step by step. So let's get started. So for that, we can open up Snapchat application directly and look out for our profile icon in the top left and tap on it and access our profile page from this section right here. Now we can just go over and look out for our Bitmoji directly here. You can scroll down and there we go. And this is our Bitmoji here. Now if you want to remove it, you can directly look out for unlink option here. Or if not here, you can look out for the gear icon in the top right and go ahead and tap on it. And once you are headed over there within your settings, you can just go over, scroll to the section for Bitmoji and tap on it and open up the Bitmoji page right here. And right in the section, we can easily find an option called Unlink My Bitmoji. You can tap on it. After that, you can confirm it up by tapping on Remove and confirm it by saying yes. And your Bitmoji is now unlinked, but your account stays intact. And you do not need to worry because you can just go over and either unlink or delete the Bitmoji entirely. Removing your Bitmoji does not delete your Snapchat account, so you do not need to worry. And if you want to create up your Bitmoji, you can anytime come back here and tap on Create My Avatar and follow up the process. And again, go ahead and create up a new emoji anytime. You can just go and follow that method for that. And that way, you should be able to unlink your Bitmoji or remove it from your profile. And that's it. So that is it everybody. You can follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.